Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial, I'd like to demonstrate how I created these nut-free macarons. I have recently become allergic to almonds myself, so this has officially become my go-to recipe, even when I make it for friends so I don't have to deal with almonds in my kitchen. So I've taken the eggs and I'm dividing the egg whites from the egg yolks, and you will find the recipe in the description box below this video. Take a whisk and whisk it till it's nice and fluffy and white. At this point, I like to add in my sugar. Continue whisking for another 2 minutes or so till it's nice and fluffy, and then add in your flavouring. I've gone with vanilla bean paste. I like the little vanilla bean textures that are in there that you can see, little black dots. I think they look awesome and they're really flavoursome compared to just vanilla extract. In goes the icing sugar, and the replacement element here being ground sunflower seeds. You cannot taste them, they give the macaron a really nice texture, and it's not a nut. It is a seed though, so if you're allergic to seeds, I'm gonna have to find a new replacement for you. Fold your batter for about a minute or so until it resembles this sort of consistency, so it's like lava coming off your spatula. I've added in just a few drops of gel food color. You could use powdered color instead, would probably work even better. Basically just doesn't mess the consistency so much. You want to pipe with a round piping tip just for best shaping results, and I've made each macaron about 3.5 centimeters in diameter. You could have a little template underneath your baking paper. I just eyeballed it this way. Give it a good tap to release any little air pockets, and if there are some, you can take a little toothpick and give it a bit of a swirl over the air pockets just to blend it all in and make the cookie nice and smooth on top. For decoration, I'm adding on edible rose petals that have been dried. I bought these online through an Australian supplier. They're called Petite, and I really like this stuff. They have a beautiful range. Allow your macaron shells to rest at room temperature for at least 40 minutes until they have a nice firm skin, and then bake them off at 140 degrees Celsius for at least 18 or so minutes. If you make smaller ones, you will need to lower that temperature. If you make them larger, you might need to increase slightly. I'll have a video link below for 3 different sized macarons I've created and the corresponding temperature in Celsius and also cook time. Fill with your favorite frosting. I've gone in with some vanilla buttercream, and then I've just stuck the 2 cookies together. They're really sweet looking, they're absolutely gorgeous, and they tasted pretty good as well. I will be making some more of these to go on a cake soon. But that's basically it. That is the nut-free recipe for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you give it a go. If you do, share your photos with me please. I would love to see what you guys are coming up with as well. So #Rosie's Dessert Spot, and I will catch you in the next video.